Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's lesson, we will be showing you how to manage and create payment terms in Invent ERP. With this powerful feature, you can standardize your payment conditions, save time, and ensure consistency across your documents. Let's get started. You may have noticed the field for payment terms in various places, such as quotations and sales orders, purchase orders, invoices, and more. But what exactly are payment terms? Simply put, payment terms define the conditions under which a customer or supplier is expected to make a payment. For a quick way to add or edit payment terms, you can use the Quick Add Edit button that appears on most fields. Alternatively, you can click the payment terms field itself. A drop-down list will show all available terms, and from there, you can easily create a new one. You can fill all the details now. But to manage, edit, or delete your payment terms, you have to head over to the Accounting module from the main menu. Then, navigate to Configuration and select Invoicing. Click on Payment Terms. Here, you will see a list of all the payment terms available in your system. If you need to create a new payment term, simply click the Add button. This will allow you to define a new payment term from scratch. Add the title of the payment terms. Then you can add a description for the payment term, as it will appear on the invoice. Lastly, you can add the terms, which are the rules that will be applied in the system to adjust the payment term. You can now view the payment terms in the quotations and invoices. We hope this tutorial was beneficial, and now you have a better understanding of how to manage and create payment terms for consistent and efficient transactions.